Did your Samsung Galaxy screen stuck on Odin mode and wondering how to exit from it? If so, then this video guide will help you to fix the error and you can easily access the device without further issue. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Force restart Samsung. Force restart your device to fix the issue of Odin mode in Samsung. Simply press the volume down plus power button and your device will shut down. This process will also help you to exit the download mode. Method 2. Remove the battery and restart again. Wait for the battery to drain completely and restart your device. But this may take more time, so remove the battery from the device to force stop it. This is an easy way to fix Samsung Odin mode. Method 4. Take your device to the local store. When the above steps do not work for you, there is only one option left, the local store. Yes, take your Samsung phone to the local store to fix Samsung stuck in Odin mode. Method 5. Use professional repair tool. Highly suggested tool to fix the error easily is by using Android Repair. This is one of the best and most effective way to fix Samsung phone stuck on Odin mode along with several other errors.